came too far to go back.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Here at a different area, Santa Clarita, California. About to go on to this store that you see behind me. Hopefully we can find some good stuff in there. My first time here. I've heard some good things about this place, so we're about to go ahead and check it out. So let's see what's going on, man. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, you dig? So at this one, I think everything is 20% off. Like everything, all the shoes are 20% off. There is no hash wall. Everything's 20% off. So let's see what we can find. There's a lot of shoes here. We might be here all day, man. Let's go. Different shoes here. What kind of pro model sock darts are these? I haven't seen these ones before. 79 bucks with an extra 20% off. That colorway is not bad at all. We've seen these before, definitely in the stores. Some Air Moneys in the black colorway. That's crazy. KYRIE stand up. KYRIE 4s, bro. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Navy blue, man. We've seen these. These are the college style ones. I don't know what size these are right here. These are a size 10 for 79 with 20% off. Then they got the red KYRIE 3s. Oh, we're gonna see some more KYRIE 3s here, man. That's crazy. Jordan 7s. I'm not sure what model this is, and there's some dirt on it. But the condition is dope. What's the price of these? Jordan 7, 129 with an extra 20% off, I'm pretty sure. All white things. These are pretty dope. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Yeah, this is truly definitely a different outlet than the last one I've been to. Everything is 20% off, bro. I don't even know where to go. It's just so many different things. I'm just gonna be looking around. You got dual racers. This is one of the shoes that I like a lot, and I've been seeing these at the outlets a lot more. Nike dual racer, 39 bucks, probably extra 20% off of that too. Imagine that, man. If you guys like dual racers, come to the outlets for those things, man. You got LeBron soldiers down here, two different colorways of them, white and green. Here we go. Here we go. Something in the flesh. Take a look at these bad boys right here. Size 14 for 59 bucks. KYRIE 4. This is the college themed colorway. What do y'all think about this colorway in the comment section? We've seen these before, along with the navy blue ones at Dick's Sporting Goods a while ago. I guess they're all out the stores now and hitting the outlets. This colorway is pretty fire though. Size 14 if you guys are looking for it, man. I'm definitely good looking out to the homie Noah. He's a subscriber. Also works at a Finish Line. He told me about this spot. I'm glad he told me about it. So far, so great. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys have definitely seen me talk about these plenty of times in many colorways. The Nike Air 270 both in $94. Size 11 with an extra 20% off. This colorway is fire. I've seen LeBron wearing those. I mentioned that before. Some Bloom Flies. These colorways are pretty dope. Size 11 also $99. We just gonna go around everything, bruh. My size is 13, as you guys might know. So we just gonna go around to all these different shoes, bro. These are crazy too. Cop Pass, fire or trash in the comment section below. Here's some more of these. They coming out in some nice colorways of these shoes, and these are very, very light. If you own a pair of them, please let me know how you guys like them. How do they compare to other shoes that you may have worn? Some more Huaraches. This colorway is pretty dope. Wow, you got a lot of heat here, man. This colorway is dope. I have not seen this in stores. This is not a women's. This is for men's. This is size 11. Huarache size 11, 69 bucks, bruh. Some Shocks. Pulling out the things I think are pretty interesting, bruh. Not too sure about those. Are these Barclays? Air Max Premium in the wheat colorway, bro. What is going on here? Price point on these Air Max Premium, $74 with 20% off extra. Look at the materials on these things, bro. Wow, this is crazy. I actually don't think I've actually seen this one in person. Favorite players, I like this colorway. I have never seen this colorway with this material on it. Air Max TNs here. This colorway is not too bad of these. I like the 3M popping on there if you guys can see that with the light. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Also, these are pretty dope. Top pass, fire or trash. These look like Monarchs. I'm good on them, but what do you guys think about these? This colorway is different. Have not seen this in the store. They have colorways, bro, I haven't seen other places too. Wow, look what else I just found. This might be the thumbnail right here. Social status 6s here at the outlets, bro. Crazy, got that pony hair on there. These are fire, bro. These are now at the outlets. This is not a return. This is on the regular shelf, bro. Regular shelf. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. This is a fire colorway. Crazy to see them at the outlets, though. Size 11 for $250 with 20% off. So that's not really a steal, but it's still a dope shoe to have here at the outlets. You got some Westbrooks popping. You got Will Smith in the background getting jiggy with it. Okay, they got these on the building too. Size 11 also for $250 with 20% off. Chinese New Year 12s, bruh. At the outlets now too. Not a return. We're gonna probably run into some more of these. I'm telling you, y'all. You gotta rock with your boy, man. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like button, you dig? Like I said, we're gonna be here for a long time. This store is huge. There's a lot of shoes here. Bear with me. It will be a few parts because there's just so much heat, and I want to show it all to you guys. Air Force 270 triple black. Okay, they got some pennies here at the outlet. These ones aren't bad either, bro. I'm not mad at these. We've seen these before in the store, outlet bound. What are these going for? 89 bucks. Air Max Penny 11, size 11. We're over here in the size 11 area right this second, but you know they got all kinds of other things. We're gonna check these things out right here. Ooh. I like the materials on this. Like the materials on this Air Max 1 Premium, 74 bucks. They got Air Max 270s galore, fly knit. So many great options. I don't even know where to begin. So many different shoes. They got the Just Do It Huaraches. Just like what's really good. I feel like there's so many things here. I don't want to miss anything. I don't want somebody to take away some heat right before I get a chance to show you guys. You know what I mean? Some more soldiers. They got the KYRIE Force here all day, bruh. Never thought, but then again, I did think once they start coming out with the college colorways that they would have more of these at the outlets because there's just so many of them, bruh. And yes, indeed. So if you guys are really wanting to try a KYRIE 4, check out a KYRIE shoe. This is the time to do it. Come to an outlet near you. They got them in this color too. I'm in a size 10 section now. Shout out to Noah for the information, bro. Ooh, look at these. I'm not mad at this colorway. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire or trash. I mean, they got a lot of things crazy and good. Another great pair of Air Max 270s. They got these pennies all over the place. Black Air Max 270s. It's just so many shoes in all sizes, bruh. This is ridiculous. This is crazy. Let's see what we got going on here. I mean, you're just seeing a lot of dope colorways. These 180s. How many people are fans of these 180s? I got one pair of 180s. Not too big a fan of them. They are pretty cool, but I'm kind of losing my interest in them. What do you guys think about these right here? Okay, some more of these bad boys. KYRIE's galore in the outlets, man. It's a great time to be somebody trying to buy some sneakers, bruh. BHM, what, Soldiers, I think those are. KYRIE 3s, bruh. What do you guys think about this actual KYRIE? I did a review on this video, on this shoe a long time ago, man. I got a really good response. Let me know what you guys think about these. Are you guys still rocking with the KYRIE 3s out there? Or are you guys just completely done with them and moved on to the 4s? and the 3s, 4s and the 5 rather. So let me know what you guys think. Crazy, bro. I like this colorway. I like everything about this shoe. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. For the 50-minute time. So as you can see, we came across some great shoes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, share the video. And if you happen to be new, go ahead and subscribe with notification bells on. You dig? Peace.